So I just have some pre-made butter croissants that I'm cutting up into my 13 by 9 dish. We are making a delicious and easy breakfast. Okay, perfect. Just make sure it's kind of evenly distributed. I love this recipe because it's super easy and you just use your pre-made stuff. Now I'm gonna grab some little smokies because this is gonna be a yummy smoky breakfast. We're gonna use this whole 14-ounce package of little smokies and put them right on top of those croissants. Perfect. Just make sure that they're kind of distributed evenly again. This is gonna be so good. All right, now I have about 6 eggs that I whipped up and scrambled that I'm gonna drizzle on top of this whole breakfast. You can use more eggs, but we're adding a lot into this, so 6 eggs just seems to be perfect. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and grab some onion powder. You can season this to your liking, but I just love the onion powder with that smoky flavor. It's so delicious. I'm gonna grab some pepper, put that right on top. Such a quick breakfast. We're already almost done. And then of course, I'm gonna grab some cheddar cheese. I'm doing the medium cheddar Tillamook because I love the thick cut.
Ooh, cheddar cheese. Extra cheese, please.
Yeah. Okay, it's perfect. All right, we're almost done here. I'm gonna go ahead and grab some milk. I'm just using whole milk, but you can use whatever your milk preference is. And we're gonna use about 2 cups of this milk. I'm just gonna eyeball it though.
You've been doing this so long, you know what 2 cups is eyeball.
Yeah, I mean, I know this recipe like the back of my hand. I make it all the time. Perfect.
I never really look at the back of my hand.
All right, now this is gonna sound a little weird, but we're actually gonna add some Dijon mustard. It just complements those little smokies so nicely. You're not gonna wanna skip this step. And we're just gonna do a nice drizzle, just like this.
Oh, wow.
Okay.
Dijon mustard, it adds like that tang.
Yeah,
that it would be missing.
So good, trust me.
Awesome, okay.
You barely even taste it. It just adds the nice little seasoning and flavor to it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just mix this all together. Get all the seasoning and all the mustard and the eggs and the milk all blended so perfectly. Get those croissants just fully covered.
Yeah, you want the croissants to absorb all the liquid, absorb all those flavors.
Yes, exactly.
The little smokies will cook into the croissants too. Sorry to interrupt you.
It just makes it so good. Okay, we're almost done. Just give it a nice little like fold into it.
Good.
All right, and then even it out again so that your 13 by 9 is fully.
It smells good and it's not even like cooked yet. Like
right?
It smells so good.
All right, and that is it.
Awesome.
Such an easy and delicious breakfast. Let's go ahead and look at that bottom real quick. Ooh, you see the eggs, the milk, this pepper. All right, so my oven is set to 350 and we're cooking it for 45 minutes. Look at that.
That looks good.
So toasty and delicious. Okay, I need a piece of this right now. Oh yeah, so cheesy.
Cheesy and the eggs are nice and soft.
Yeah, because we added all that milk in there. Oh yeah. Look at that.
That is phenomenal.
Looks like a quiche or a frittata. I need to try this right now.
Eat it.
Oh, the eggs are so fluffy from the milk.
Looks so good.
Okay.
Probably hot.
Yeah, it's hot, but it's gonna be so good.
Smells delicious. Is it good?
So good.